going to show everybody the hooking technique. This is a trick of the trade for any roofers with a helper. Starter under the valley, valley over, valley goes to this line on the starter, and this shingle all the way up on this line. Tack it in place because the other shingles are going to nail it down. And then this corner, always to this on the line. You're gonna watch this later, Pablo, and study it. And then the hooking technique, hold the shingle like this so you can move it. That corner, right there, line to line, done. But you go fast. You go fast. Pablo. You go fast. And it's easy. I don't have to move or wait, because I'm just your helper. What is the shingle? The shingler should be down there while the helper is doing that, and all the shingler has to do is this. Slide down, nail it. Slide down, nail it. Battery. It's pretty easy from here.